Hi guys, welcome back to another video from Team Lim Happy Family. So today we have a very special program. Look at all the boxes to my right. We have been waiting for a number of weeks for all of them to arrive, and today they have all arrived. So it's about unboxing whatever the mysterious items are in all of these boxes. So before we go into the details, let's hear some words from our sponsor. That's right, there is no sponsor yet, so everything is out of our own pocket for the time being. Alright, so without further ado, let's get into the biggest box of them all. Alright, look at how carefully it's being packaged. While being very safe, at the same time, they provide you with an easy handle to open up this entire box itself. So all I have to do is just to pull this, and are you ready? Are you ready? Like what my son would have said, this is the moment where you like, subscribe, and ring the bell at our Team Lim Happy Family YouTube channel. Alright? I'll proceed to pull this string right now. 3, 2, 1, pull! Alright. And there it goes. With this box open right now, I'm just going to throw whatever that comes out from the boxes right here. Someone's got to clean that up later on. Alright, if you can read what I'm reading here, check it out. What does it say? iPad Pro. Right, let's take that out. Wow. Look at how well they packaged this entire item, safely cushioned in this very well designed box to absorb any shocks that it may encounter during the logistic process. Right? Box down here. There you see, iPad Pro 2020 12.9 inch, 4th generation. Can't believe we are really having this right now. Alright, so again, Apple being Apple, customer centric, they know exactly what they want and they know how to make your life simple. So it's not just the box outside that is easy to open. Take a look at this handle right here. So all you need to do to open up this exquisite box of iPad Pro is just following the simple instructions. Intuitive. Pull it out, and there you go. Entire iPad Pro right in front of all of us. Put it inside the box. Now it's about opening up this box. Right. From all across 4 corners. You guys may not be able to see it here, but the kids are eagerly waiting behind the camera, wanting to see the iPad Pro 12.9 inch 2020. So again, another handle here. All you need to do is just to, from the back, and you can slide this iPad just forward like this. And before anything else, just like you to see, there's an actual engraving here. So I'm going to tilt it so you can see that there's an engraving that says Team Lim Happy Family right here. Right? Maybe we'll take a close-up shot in the video later on, but there you go. iPad Pro. So we have opened up the first one. Now let's proceed to the next item to be opened. So we did not just purchase this item, we've purchased a series of other items as well. So let's open up this one next. All right. So again, a handle, easy for us to pull off. Opening it up. What could this be? Take a look. It's Apple Pencil. All right. Let's see how we can actually open this thing up. So it has a protective plastic to prevent the box from moving around while they are shipping it. So just taking it out, again, an easy handle. Just pull it off. The wrapper comes right out easily. Putting the items down. So over here, there is a secret handle again. So all you need to do is just to Apple Pencil, pull it out, open this thing up, and there you go, Apple Pencil. So if you could have a look here, as I roll this pencil, you will see that there's another engraving here that says Team Lim Apple Pencil. Alright, I'm gonna place this item right here. So is that the end of it? Most probably not. Let's go for this next box over here. Alright, so this one is slightly different. I'm gonna have to use a pen knife for this one. So please be extremely careful as you're dealing with pen knife and scissors, as they are sharp. Alright, opening it up. What is this little item here? So again, it's shielded with a plastic to prevent it from moving around. It's very stable. And that's what makes consumers like us having so much trust and confidence in Apple, because they always know how to protect our product. So again, I'm going to use a pen knife. Opening it up. And this is Apple AirPods. Alright. Gonna open it up. Have a look. Just have a look at what is written here. Team Lim again. Right? Gonna place the item here so all of you can see it carefully. Okay, keeping the boxes aside. Now the last item. The last item for us to open. What could this be? Again, pen knife. Slicing it. Cutting it. Cutting it. Cutting it. All right. Have a look. This is the Magic Keyboard by Apple. All right. So with this Magic Keyboard, you can actually attach your iPad onto this keyboard, making it exactly like how you'll be using an actual laptop. So you can see that it's not just the keyboard itself, it has actual touchpad. So again, with the easy handle, you can just pull off, open up plastic shield, and there you go. We have our Magic Keyboard. Opening it up. All right, pulling it out, opening it up. That is our Magic Keyboard. So just to show you exactly how it works, you can actually take the iPad out from here and then attaching the iPad just like that. From here, sorry. Yep. So you can see the iPad magnetic properties of that with the Magic Keyboard, they will just stick onto each other just like that. So it looks as if the iPad is floating on this Magic Keyboard. And as mentioned, besides the keyboard itself, it actually has a touchpad, and everything will just work as they should just by putting them together itself. And this is where the Apple Pencil, just like again Magic, it sticks on because of the magnetic strip of the iPad itself and the pencil. And there you go. This is the unboxing of our iPad 2020 12.9 inch. And last, we will show you some of the accessories that we have bought as well. So starting with the accessory for Apple Pencil. And finally, the screen protector for our iPad Pro. Alright, so we'll be right back after we've installed this screen protector successfully on our new iPad Pro 2020 12.9 inch. See you later. Welcome back. So we have successfully installed the screen protector, and it's a paper-like experience, as well as the accessories for our Apple Pencil. And as you can see, I've proceeded to set up the iPad, and right now it's ready to be used. Swipe up to get started. Alright guys, once again take a look at all the accessories that's being included here. So we have the Apple Pencil, AirPods, our Magic Keyboard, and of course iPad Pro 2020 12.9 inch. So we hope you like the video, and hope all of us will have our dream come true, just like how we have had our dreams come true, having our very first iPad Pro 2020. Thank you so much. Bye!